Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And so tonight, someone that I'd call him an internet friend, we've contacted back and forth quite a few times, sent me this clip art and wanted some help with making it into an ornament. So I did, but it took some time, and it's color and shades of color, and part of it can't be taken apart because it's all one piece. So I took it upon myself, and I've already sent him the file, but I thought, why not just draw one from scratch? Why have to, you're still copying somebody else's idea, but all I did was, and so this video is not too much about how to draw in Corel, but just how to think about, uh, instead of using the hand that's dealt you, um, play a different set of cards and just start from scratch. So all I did was take a clip art of an apple. I don't even think that's up anymore. I've had a few computer glitches tonight and losing some things. But anyway, I've got an apple and I've got a pencil. And it's a lot better pencil than, I think, in my opinion, than that pencil. It looks like more like a pencil, especially for engraving. Now, I just recently turned these gray, and I guess the real reason that I want to make the video is, and I've done this several times, let's say this is your page and this is your engraving. So let's put the page right here like you'd have it in your laser, and I've colored in some of this. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to make that rectangle locked so I can't keep grabbing it. So that's like the page now. And I've turned some of this gray, so I'm going to cursor it out of the way. And I don't know why I can't click on it. And I've got just two spots there. So what I would do is select all this, Control G, and make a group of it, and I would engrave this. I don't know that I would cut it yet, but I would engrave it at whatever you run your black at, and then take your contour or your outline. Let's see if we can't break this apart. I guess I wasn't ready. Take your outline and let's see if we can't get it out of the way. We did. Then I would take this black and move it out of the way, and then move your gray back and run that at a lower speed and just kind of watch it and see what you think looks good, because the idea is to make it a little bit less of a shade of that black, and this will engrave, and if it's not quite dark enough you can engrave it again, and then cut the whole thing out with your vector line. And one reason that would be preferable, my preference, is that there might be some hairlines in here I can't see. Right there, that pencil is made up of hairlines. So if I would have ran the job as a combination job, that pencil would have cut out. This way, when you select that vector, that is the only thing that's going to cut out. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.